Disturbing new details tonight about the death of a man in Eaton County. 4 suspects accused of torturing him for days. It's our top story at 6. Thank you for joining us. I'm Siobhan Klepfer.
And I'm Jorma Duran. 6 News was able to get court documents today that give us new details about a case where a man went missing for some 6 months before authorities found his body.
Nick Simon has been investigating this story for us, and he's here now outside where it happened with the latest.
And as a warning, some of what you're about to hear may be disturbing.
Deputies say that the site behind me was the scene of a horrific crime. The 4 people accused of murdering and torturing Brian Pennington told authorities that they wanted to deal out vigilante justice, but the details of the case go farther than that. 6 News obtains court documents that detail the case. In them, deputies claim that William Cheney and Lucas Forker were operating a car repair business out of 2 campers on this farmhouse near Vermontville. They also had an employee, Bradley Lance, who lives there from time to time. Investigators say, one day in November of last year, Brian Pennington came to check on some cars along with Janelle Mello. But Mello pulled aside the workers and told them a story of continued abuse and over-medication at the hands of Pennington. She said she didn't want police involved, but she did want to get revenge. That's when Pennington was grabbed into one of the campers, and the torture began. The documents go on, stating that Pennington was beaten, made to kneel on rice, and was even shot in the foot over the course of 4 days, and that Mello urged the men on whenever there was a lull. Near the end of the ordeal, authorities say the group turned towards robbery as they tried to get Pennington to sign over the title to his camper and his truck. The documents also describe how they made Pennington call his dad to try and get help to sign the title of his truck over. And when that didn't happen, Lance shot Pennington in the head and dragged him to a swamp. Police found the body there 6 months later, and less than a month after that, made the arrests. Detectives say the accused cooperated during the investigation. Lance faces murder and torture charges, along with another charge for moving a dead body. The 3 accomplices also face torture charges. Reporting on the scene near Vermontville, Nick Simon, 6 News.
Well, thank you, Nick. A judge gave Lance a $250,000 bond. Forker received a $25,000 bond. Mello received a $100,000 bond, and these 3 suspects remain behind bars as of this afternoon. A judge gave Cheney a $50,000 bond, which has been posted, resulting in Cheney being released from jail. And we will bring you the latest details on this case as they come in, both here on air and online.